What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode we are touring the plant number 3 by Woodside in Rancho Cordova. It's a brand new property, a 4-bedroom, an office, 3 bath on 2 levels, a beautiful open concept. As you guys can see, a beautiful volume also in the living room. This house is situated in Rancho Cordova, one of the newest development here in Rancho, built by Woodside. We're about 15 minutes from downtown, 15 minutes from Folsom. You can see on the map on the screen right here. Without further ado, let's go through the tour. Hey, this is the first time to the channel. If you're just tuning in, if you want to know everything there is to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento area, like the Rancho Cordova, this beautiful community by Woodside, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you too can be the first to learn about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu. I am a local licensed real estate agent here for the state of California. Let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts of people just like you every single day that want to move into Sacramento, and I'm very happy to help them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen. And without further ado, let's go through the plant number 3 at Woodside in the Rancho Cordova area. Let's go through the tour. Hey guys, we're touring the plant number 3, so 2479 square foot, elevation A, and this one has a very unique look to it because it's kind of like a Spanish flair with a modern touch, with this entryway of this tack stone that goes all the way to the top. 2-car garage, decent lot size. You have Douglas Avenue right here, and if you make a left here, you get to downtown, the Elk Grove area. If you make a right and go north, you get into Folsom as well. So alright, to the right side we have the first bedroom and bathroom. It's not totally an ensuite, it's a small little bedroom. This is a twin size bed. The queen size will fit the view of the front of the house. So obviously they're doing landscaping right now. This is a modern home. We are continuing through the tour. We have the bathroom on the right side here. Shower tub combo, a single sink vanity. Lovely feature. So you have a long hallway. Alright, to the right side we have an office, built-in shelf, and very luxurious actually office, good size. This could be also converted into another bedroom. It's currently modeled at a 4-bedroom. This one could be in a 5th one as well. Very love the layout on this one. To the left side you have a large closet here, great for storage, and we're entering into the main living space here. Beautiful volume, it goes all the way to the ceiling. Great open floor plan, and I'm just going to pan out and you're going to have a view also of your kitchen kind of tucked away also in the back here. To the top here we have 2 more bedrooms. We're going to go over there in a second. And living room, large L shape. Another view on the other side here. Beautiful volume, and on top of it also you have a loft too as well. On we have the kitchen area, beautiful island, 4 cylinders in the front, light fixtures on the top here, and also you have a lot of cabinetries that goes all the way to the corner, around the corner over here, with your pantry space, a view of the front of the living room here. Continue on, and we have the pantry here. Pretty decent size. I love these glasses here. You can potentially put your pantry vault on top here. Dining room table is tucked away here in the little L shape that's created by the living room, kitchen, and the dining room area. Love this little chandeliers on the top here. The beauty with when you buy modern homes, you get all this nice upgrade, nice fixtures, the flooring, and everything else. So backyard, large covered porch, and then you have also your grass area. Built-in barbecue here with a mini pergola. It's a decent lot size. I mean, I think it's probably 4,500 square foot of a lot size on a 2-floor. Love this inlays between the grass and the concrete, the stamped concrete. Let's go back in. This floor, let's go to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is right here. So we're gonna make a first right. You have a tall shower, with your double sink vanity, your standing tub, your shower's in a corner, your toilet is here, and your big master closet. Gonna make a left and we're getting into the actual master suites. This is a king size bed, and you have two nightstands on the side, a beautiful bay windows, bringing you a lot of natural light in from your backyard. Across here, we'll continue on to the tour, and we have the laundry space, a washer and side-by-side washer and dryer, your top of your cupboard and your sink to pre-wash your clothes. Very good. And your two-car garage, a little bit of a linen closet right off your laundry space, and your two-car garage access is right here. We're going back into the main living space. And we're going up the stairs to the loft and two remaining bedroom. Up at the top here, you have the guest bathroom, two sink vanity, and your shower top combos in the back here. Beautiful view of your living room down here. Loft area, great for second living space, a second living room. And the third bedroom, I'm trying to count, twin size bed, probably queen will fit also in this space as well. You have carpeted on the top here. And the last bedroom of the house. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these two videos. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya!